Revenue versus profit. Simple explanation. Many people think revenue and profit are the same, but they are very different. Let us understand both step by step. 1. Revenue. Revenue meaning revenue is the total money a business earns from sales. In simple words, revenue equals total money received. Easy examples of revenue. A shop sells goods worth $10,000. Revenue equals $10,000. A YouTuber earns money from ads. That income is revenue. Simple sentences. The company's revenue increased this year. Revenue comes from sales. Important point. Revenue is before paying any expenses. 2. Profit. Profit, meaning profit is the money left after paying all expenses. In simple words, profit equals extra money after costs. Easy examples of profit. Revenue equals $10,000. Expenses equals $7,000. Profit equals $3,000. Simple sentences. The business earned good profit. Profit shows success of a business. Important point. If expenses are more than revenue, there is loss, not profit. 3. Main difference. Very easy. Revenue equals total income. Profit equals income minus expenses. Daily life example. Very simple. A fruit seller. Sales money equals revenue. Cost of fruits plus rent equals expenses. Money left equals profit. Easy formula memory tip. Profit equals revenue minus expenses. Student-friendly summary. Revenue shows total earnings. Profit shows real gain. High revenue does not always mean high profit.